Asian bridal makeup is typical of most brides that I know, which is that they want to look young and youthful and timeless. So maybe stick to those nice pinks for your cheeks and your lips and keep the eyes really neutral and soft and sandy. Look at champagne colors or petal pinks or seashell pinks even. You can contour with a matte bronzer to sort of define your cheekbones and highlight with a nice shimmery champagne color or a gold color on the apples of your cheeks or your brow bones or even along the cheekbone. So if you stick to neutral, warm colors with maybe pops of pink in there, you are going to look like a timeless, beautiful bride, I promise.